The YEVLLDOO Portable Nebulizer Machine uses a reliable compressor design that produces a consistent, fine mist suitable for both adults and children at home. Its single-button operation and clearly labeled components make it especially straightforward for older users and caregivers to set up and run without confusion. The device turns liquid medication into an inhalable mist through a steady airflow, which is the style many clinicians still prefer for regular respiratory treatment. Compared with many compact mesh units, this compressor model delivers stable air pressure and efficient output, so typical saline sessions finish in only about 10 minutes. The ventilation layout and generous heat dissipation area help the machine run cooler during longer sessions, which supports durability and user comfort. Included accessories and family-friendly design make it a practical everyday nebulizer to keep on hand for managing recurring breathing issues quickly and conveniently at home.